was freaking like a tourist. The way he handled. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I had promised last week to deliver a video, but you know, the girl got lazy. But anyway, nevertheless, we're here again today, and I'm going to be doing another tutorial, which is a brow tutorial. Very simple, very quick, easy, and cheap. Yeah, it's very cheap. I'm gonna be using a few products and items. Yeah. Oops. Here. Yeah, this and this. Oh yeah, these are the items. So Stella. So guys, as you can see, I'm filming from outdoor. Yeah. Anyway, so first things first, brush out your brows. Yep, and draw. When you're doing, you could either start from here or here, whichever. Sorry. So guys, you have to use brown eye pencil. Not use black. Dangerous. Up. There's no sun, so you're going to bear with me. The weather is acting up today, and not my fault. Blame climate change, not me. Hope you guys can see. Okay, brush out the brows again, just to fill them up after filling in the other things. So this is a Legal Pro concealer in the shade Toffee. Yeah, in the shade Toffee, guys. It comes with these front or top cover bristles, so you can just start off, you know, by concealing out your brow. Yeah, but I prefer to put some. So like I was saying, I prefer this. I prefer using the eyebrow brush, concealer brush, tapping, picking some concealer, and just conceal out the brow. Okay. Oh, bring up with my Do you see this, ladies? Anyway, just go up, line it out. Yeah. Anyway, it's nothing a corrector cannot do, so let's just go correct that. Well, fill that up. Okay. Anyway, when you're done with that, you just have to go back, blend in your concealer into your eye. When you're blending, tap. I'm using the same brush because I don't have the other rounder one that would be more sufficient. But I guess the end justifies the means. Okay, baby. Okay, so I'm going in with this darker shade to just blend it into my skin to match my skin tone. Yeah, I'll just put it down here. I don't know what brand it is. Yeah, go right above where you put your initial concealer. So finally, when you're done tapping and everything has blended out, you have to remember this. You have to remember that eyebrows are not twins. Like, there shouldn't be this whole line coming in like this to attach this brow to this brow, because they're sisters, so they have to be in each separate side but still look the same. So what you're going to do is just pass your finger through here to create, drift between the two. Then go back finally with our brush and just do this. So go back last time with your brow brush and just brush it out. And this, guys, is our final brow tutorial. I'm not doing this part of my eye because I feel like it's unnecessary and that's not required. I'm not doing anything, so I don't need to. I have no need to do my other eye. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Returning subscribers, I am so humbled. I'm ecstatic. Like, you guys don't know how I'm feeling right now, but keep watching. Keep spreading the gospel. We need to grow this channel. By all means. So you know what to do. Thank you guys, and please, if you haven't subscribed, this is the subscribe button, so just subscribe. Click it like right now. Click this subscribe button. Like, do not forget to like and comment. Give your honest reviews in the comments, and I'll surely see them. Love you.